Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday, September the 16th. Starting off with Hurricane Energy, where you can see that there's been a rising trend channel here based at the 40 pence level currently, and with an implied target of as high as 60 pence, while the floor of the channel at 40 pence holds. Obviously, yesterday we had a decent, or initially a decent spike towards the upside. The high was 48.75 pence, and then the shares came back down again. This is a rather negative candle, so the warning here is that at least while the main support line from March remains in place on an end-of-day close basis, you would give the shares the benefit of the doubt to the upside, especially as there's a extended RSI support line as well, but perhaps below the 40 pence level on a sustained basis might make us query the possibility of a new leg to the upside on 60 pence. Be cautious on the shares, maybe to wait for a momentum signal such as an end of day close above the 50-day moving average, currently at 42 pence. Moving along to a stock which is not so let's say mysterious in terms of its price action. Here we've got Leni Gas and Oil, where it looks as though there's been a decent bull flag here, just above the floor of a rising trend channel from June, and above the 50-day moving average at 3.62 pence. On this basis, we really be looking for an acceleration to the upside over the next few sessions out of this bull flag and towards the long-awaited price channel target from June as high as 5.8 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close above the initial September resistance at 4.38 pence, but really it looks as though there's no need to give away this initial upside. The positive consolidation appears to be being done above the former August resistance just below 4 pence. Another interesting and positive situation comes in the form of Leni Gas, of UK oil and gas, another oil and gas play. Here we've had a very strong daily candle through the 1.5 pence level, and that looks like it's going to open up the top of a May rising trend channel as high as 2.4 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. We're backed by a rising RSI support line as well, and the way that really we had a bear trap back towards the 1 pence level to start off September, which should have flushed out the last of the week bulls. Just finishing off with rare earth minerals, where there's been a consolidation over recent weeks. Looks as though the shares are in a triangle formation, which is a continuation of which will be a continuation of the break to the upside that we've seen since May. Unfilled gap to the upside at that time gives this setup a positive spin, but it might be worth waiting for at least an end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 1.59 pence, or a break of this RSI resistance line from July at the 50 level before going long again and targeting a return to 2 pence plus, which was the July bull trap peak. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.